Here's an awesome little sustainable hack that will save you some money when growing any plants from seed. It's a great one to get the kids involved with too.
Here's all you need. Some seed raising mix, some seeds, these are snow peas, my personal favourite. A newspaper, make sure Mum and Dad have read it first. Nice on cardboard tube, some gloves, and a box like this to put your pots in.
Take a full sheet of newspaper, keeping it folded closed, and then fold it in half again from top to bottom. Put your cardboard tube in line with the paper edge about 3 centimeters in from the folded side and grip it tightly while you roll up. When you get to the end, keep a tight grip on the paper around the tube to keep it rolled up. Flip the newspaper end up and then fold the end into the tube. Gently slide it off the tube and that's it. 1 tube pot. Stand it up in your tray and repeat to make as many as you need. With the tubes in your tray well supported, use a hand trowel to pour your seed raising mix into them. Once full, gently tap the tray down to settle the mix. Add extra mix to any that drop more than about 2 centimeters below the top. Now add your seeds. We're planting snow peas, and then lightly cover with more seed raising mix and water gently. Leave the tray somewhere warm and sunny, and, like magic, they'll pop up. Plant into a suitably prepared bed, tube and all. The paper will break down, adding organic matter to the soil. Earthworms love it. Then, just water in well.
In next to no time, you'll have yummy fresh snow peas. That's the best bit. See you next time and happy gardening!